Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello viewers, you can see any paper and what can we make with their paper? Let's watch this video. Viewers, you will draw the duck like this. And viewers, look there, I have drawn the line with a pencil. I used red color marker here. And then shape the duck and cut it very carefully. And then I am cutting this paper. Viewers, you can see sticking now with paper glue. Okay. And viewers, now I will stick their paper into the duck as I am making this feather. Okay, it's very beautifully. There is a duck in the water and this duck name is Swan. I will stick the duck, there will glue between the blue papers. My swan is ready. Wow, it's so nice. Viewers, if you like my video, please like, share and comment. And viewers, subscribe the channel to get new video. Okay viewers,